How to set up ERP. I copied the demo login details and logged in with it. First setup. Branch. Input the name of the branch under the branch name. On the description, input the full address of branch. Other contact details that should appear on the address side of the invoice, example phone number, email, company TIN number, etc. In this example we use New York as branch name and address as number 1 Mary Avenue, New York. If organization has more than one branch, all you have to do is to click on the Add More button and input the branch detail, as seen on the screen. When done you hit the Submit button. Products/service name. Here we set up different types of products and services that we deal on. In my example I am using barbing. It could be web design, photography, or any name you wish to give the different types of products and or services you deal on. Submit to save entry. You can also edit or update the saved entries. All you have to do is to check the action checkbox, and either click the delete button to delete the checked item, or click the update button to save the edited entry. Selling price. Here we set up the individual selling prices of the different products and services that we have created. Choose the branch you wish to set up the selling price for and click on Go. Under the selling price per unit, input the selling price for each of the individual products and services. Logo. Select a small-sized picture to be displayed on some documents generated by the system and upload. Custom user. Here we create different types of user profile. Check the required modules that user should have access to. Give the profile a name and submit when done. Add/edit user. Here we add different users to the system. Fill in the required fields. Under the user right, select the admin to give user all-round access, or sales to give access to sales, or custom to give user access to predefined modules. Note that all newly created users has a default password, password 1. Submit when done. Promo cashback. Here is quick setup for organization that offer a certain percentage of purchase as credit back bonus to the customer. Such bonus are credited to the customer's account. Accumulated credit can be used to make purchase by customer. Under the promo cashback, input the desired percentage, example, 10%, and click submit when done. Customer account module. Add customer. Here we set up our customers. Fill the necessary details, choose the branch customer will be attached to, select the marketer if applicable, then click the add button to quickly set up a marketer and submit when done. View customer is where we view/edit saved customer entries. Log payment. Here we post customer payment. Click on deposit to credit customer account and or withdraw to debit customer's account. Fill the necessary information and submit. Customer statement. Here we spool the individual account statement/ledger of each customer. Pick a customer and or pick a date range and click the View button for system to generate the customer statement. statement can be printed or saved by clicking the Save/Print button or downloaded to Excel and other available formats by clicking the Download button. Sales Log Module. Raising an invoice or logging a sale is categorized into two windows. Log Sale Service. Here we log sales that are not defined under the product/service name setup. Under Sold To, select the customer. Underneath it is Name on Invoice. You can input the name that should appear on the invoice. Invoice Number. Input the invoice number or leave empty for system to generate its own invoice number. Amount paid. In instances where customer made payment for the particular sale you're logging, input the amount customer paid. Input the date of invoice. Payment due date. Input the number of days payment will be due for this invoice. Leave at 0 if payment for invoice will be due immediately. Under the services provided, input the service description and amount charged. Click Add More button to add more line items. Submit. System generates an invoice and does the necessary accounting entries, e.g. credits the branch revenue account, debits the customer's account, credits the customer's account if any amount was posted on the amount paid box. The same process applies to log sale product. Only difference here is we select predefined products/services and also have the ability to apply the credit back bonus percentage on the invoice by checking the Apply Promo checkbox. Also, under the payment status, choose if customer has paid fully or not paid. View/update sales. Here we can view/edit all posted sales entries item by item. Click on the line item name to launch the modification window. Here you can edit the entries initially posted and submit, or click the reverse button to reverse/delete the line item on the invoice. Such edits may be due to returns or wrong posting. System will automatically do the necessary accounting entries for each action taken. Sales report. Here is an invoice by invoice sales report, showing payment status. Report can filter to show for branch and/or within a date range. You can also click on the invoice number to generate the invoice doc. Sales return logs all edited sales entry. Reg/view referral. This is where we fully set up all sales marketers, as shown when creating a customer. View invoice. This is where we call up invoice document. Input the invoice number and click Go. Invoice detail. Here we set up the notes to be attached to our invoice, e.g. thanks for your patronage, payment details, etc. Set up bank quote. Here we set up organization accounts to show on the quote/pro forma invoice. Raise quote. This is where we raise quote to a customer. Input the necessary details and submit. View quote. Here we view all entries. We can also edit, delete or post quote as sale. Financial module. Expense category. Here we set up different categories of our expenses, e.g. welfare, transport, rent, etc. Log expense. This is where we log expenses. Input a brief description of the expense, amount spent and category. Submit. Expense statement. A comprehensive expenses report. Can be filtered by different parameters. Posted expense can also be reversed by checking the line item action checkbox and clicking the reverse button. Profit/loss generates the income statement report. Reports module. Revenue report generates the side-by-side revenue, cost of sales, gross profit, expenses, net profit and other figures. 2 or more revenue report can generate it for a period to help compare performance between different periods. Click on the Add More button to set the different comparison parameters and click View to generate all. General report generates reports as it pertains sales. Can be filtered using different parameters. Same applies to customer report and referrals, but has the customer and marketer parameter respectively. Bestseller shows items most/least purchased based on quantity or sales.